Outstanding morning and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to share with you how to register a new distributor online. So the first thing we need to do here is to get your referral link. To do that, log into edmarkusa.com, click on my account and then my profile. You should be able to see your referral link here. Now, if you do not see your referral link here, it means your account is not activated yet and you have not gotten your EDA number. If for any reason that you don't have your EDA number, just click on this link right here and it will take you to customer support. Now, if you do have your referral link, then all you need to do is click on this copy icon and you can share your link. Now, when someone clicks the link, they're going to see that you are the referrer. So here, the new person would need to click on register and they would need to either select new distributor registration. They would need to select this option if they are staying in the US and would like to register as an EDMARK distributor to enjoy distributor prices, earn commissions, and more. Or if they're an existing distributor who would like to expand their business to the US, then they should click on this. Or if they're registering as a customer, then they would select the last option. But do advise them that customers are not eligible for commissions or to shop at distributor prices. So the best way to go here is a new distributor registration. Here, they will be able to see that you are their referrer and they would need to complete the form that you see here, create a password, agree to the membership, and click Next. Once your prospect has registered, they'll be presented with one of our EDMARK starter kits. We have the regular starter kit that you see here, the P4 weight management pack, and of course the Elite. Now, once your prospect selects any one of these packs, you will earn an additional commission. So I'm just going to click Add to Cart here. And we're going to head up. Now, once they click Checkout, they will be able to see their P4 registration pack as well as the membership kit. This is compulsory for all new registrations. If they want to shop some more, they can do so by just shopping for all products. And they may add more products to their cart. So this is the updated cart. When they're ready, they may go and click on checkout to begin the checkout process, or they can add on another $131 to get free shipping. So I'm just going to add on a few more bioelixirs so that I can get free shipping. Next, click checkout. And now your prospect will go to the checkout page. They just need to complete their address, and proceed to payment, where they can make payment via their credit or debit card. Now, if you run through any problems with this registration process, all you need to do is click on Contact Us and go ahead and send us a ticket. Have an outstanding day ahead.